Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how you can change the brightness level of your screen in this TV. So as you can see here, we got the example how it looks right now, and if you want to change the brightness level, you have to simply go for the menu, go for the settings, and when you are here we have to scroll down to the device preferences, and right now we have to pick picture, and from here we can easily change brightness level. I'm going for 100 value and take a look how this picture looks right now. So I'm going back for the YouTube, and there it is. As you can see the brightness level has changed, and that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.